Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken soup with carrot and watercress. I have one whole piece of chicken with 1.3 kilos and I'll be cooking the whole piece of chicken in the soup. 1 liter of water, 300 grams of watercress, cut and clean, 300 grams of carrot, I cut into big pieces like this, 30 grams of cut ginger, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 30 grams of red dates, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil. First, we're going to start off with blanching the chicken. Switch on the heat, put it into high heat, putting in the water. Put in all the ginger. Put in the whole chicken. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. When blanching the chicken, it is best to have the chicken submerged in the water. But in this case, it is not, so I'm going to just bring it to boil, and then after that, I'm going to flip the chicken to make sure that all the blood and all the impurity will come out from the chicken before we can cook the soup. Chicken is boiling, so I'm going to flip it. Just be careful when you do this, as you may splash the hot water. Just going to continue to boil for another 2 minutes. Alright, it is boiling and all the impurity has come out. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove the chicken from the hot water. So this is the chicken which I have blanched. And today I'll be cooking the chicken soup in the Instant Pot or pressure cooker. So this is the inner pot. I'm going to put in all the water, 1 liter of water. Put in sesame seed oil, all the pepper, all the salt, oyster sauce, red dates, wash it and give it a stir to make sure that oyster sauce and the salt have dissolved. And now we're going to put in the chicken. When you buy the chicken, you just make sure that it can go into your the pot. Put in all the carrot and all the watercress. And now we can go and cook it. Just put the pot into the Instant Pot, cover the lid and lock it. Make sure to put this valve into airtight, so which is airtight. Switch it on and set the menu to soup. For cooking soup, it will take 30 minutes, so just press start. So it will take about 10 to 12 minutes for the setting, and then after that it will start cooking for about 30 minutes. Then we will have a very nice chicken soup with carrot and watercress. Meanwhile, you can go and do whatever you want to do. After about 40 minutes, you can come back. 1 more minute to go. Alright, time's up. Chicken soup is ready. Now we need to release the air pressure. To release the air pressure, I need to turn this valve into exhaust. But when doing this step, I like to stay away from here because the pressure is quite strong. I'm going to use this long hand tong to release the pressure. Need to make sure that all the pressure has been released and no more pressure coming out from here. Only that you want to switch off the Instant Pot and then you can open the cover. So I'm just going to let it completely release all the air pressure. So I'm going to wait for another few more minutes before I switch off the Instant Pot and open the cover. Alright, after a couple of minutes, there is no more pressure coming out from here. So now I'm going to switch off the pot. Look at that. See? So I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, the soup is so delicious and really very sweet. Chicken is really very soft. This kind of soup is best served it hot. Let's eat. You know, the chicken is so soft, you don't have to cut it. You just take the tongue and pick it. It will just fall off the bones. Carrot also super soft. Wow, delicious. Very delicious. The soup is so sweet with the natural sweetness from the chicken, watercress, carrot, and also red dates. Chicken is very tasty, very soft, that can melt in the mouth. Vegetable, carrot and watercress is also very soft. This is really delicious soup. It is healthy, simple to cook, and most importantly, it's delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.